What's up, everybody, and welcome to another week on the #1 show on the TV. You know it's all about Pree Dis. Now, of course, I'm your host, Curdy, and this week I'm in Portland at the Reach Falls. Now, the water cold because I just take a swim a while ago. But for the next half an hour, you see me try and swim because really and truly I can't. Kind of weird, though. Grew up in a land that was surrounded by water but can't swim. Anyway, grew up in a Kingston. Kingston have no beach. But for the next half an hour, you know it's all about Pree Dis, fun, entertainment, and lifestyle. Come check out Reach Falls with me.
I know right now me a party non-stop. Cause the girl them so hot, and the thugs them roll up. Pass me a buckle of more hot. Girl them body just a run at. Wind up till the sun come up. She refill her cup till she throw up. Shaka send for more aye. Yes, Lord, watch how the girl them a move them body. Them a wine like a mad somebody. Seems like them in the party. Y'all them they have for everybody. Watch me a girl them a wine on the floor like them want up a thing.
What's up? I am loving Reach Falls right now, trust me. This is a place you need to visit. Anytime you're in Jamaica, come down to Portland and check out the Reach Falls. Wonderful water, wonderful rocks, just a wonderful experience and we all need to check it out. So right now we kick off the show with highlights from Bigger I So We Do It, where you don't know the hottest female artist in dancehall. Who's that? No question, it's Tifa. Shell the place. Now, of course, the Pree Dis team, we were at Pegasus Hotel to bring you the highlights. So Bigger I So We Do It. Now I'm going to find some more water and show you how me do it. Keep it locked.
Of this concert tonight?
Well, it's just a way in which we can directly reach our target consumers. You know that we're marketing now on an entertainment platform, and Tifa is one of the most popular artists among the target consumers at this point in time. So, you know, we're streaming live because they don't have funds or, you know, to actually go out. So this is definitely one of an inexpensive way to get to them.
Response for them, come make come mess up a party. Not be no afraid all who want kick up, try no, we no see them others. I want to be. Oh, we are
How was the public receive a new campaign?
Well, it's been received very well amongst our target consumers. They like the comparison of the old and the new, using the uniforms, one of the Jamaican icons. So it's definitely well received.
Bigger is now in the US, in the New York area. How has it been doing in that market?
It's been doing very well. Sales has increased compared to before we started that chain with Golden Cross. So it's been doing very well.
What are the plans for the brand this year?
Well, this is the first in a series of concerts, so you can look out for the others within the series to come throughout the year. Tifa, we started with her, of course, because she's featured in our campaign, so you can look out for the upcoming artists.
That's what I'm on your big R6. You bust a wheel then my ride weapon it like boom. I got the motor running. Circle like a wheel, baby, tell me when you're coming. Me know you're not like my ex, so come and make up money. As a cool and 5 years, bump a body like boom. I got the dynamite body. Wine for my man like a girl, wine for my man. You're so French, but that. Click picture, take Facebook, you better tag it. Roll on, I'm gonna roll. Me say me nah ease up tonight. Roll on, I'm gonna roll. Me have a face sweet loving on.
Feel good. It was I love an interactive crowd, so it was awesome. It was well received. I just feel happy tonight. Happy, happy, happy.
You find that you go harder with an intimate crowd as opposed to a massive crowd?
I do, because I can't get to talk to them, man, you know? Reach for them, man. So definitely, but when it comes to the test, if I have to do a big crowd, I'm going to do a big crowd. But I prefer smaller audiences like this.
Describe working with Bigger. What's the association been like?
It's been really, really good. I'm looking after me. Bigger, bigger, bigger. So we do it.
Now that was highlights from Bigger I Saw We Do It. Tifa, of course, one of the hottest dancehall artists, definitely right now. Now we move on to another chapter of the show, or we bring you highlights from the Jamaica Auto Show. Now, of course, Pree Dis team, we're going to Shelly to go look on some of the car, them, we're going to sit down in the front seat and Charlie in it out. Well, nice. Now we spoke to Ian Lynn, one of the organizers for the event. Let's see what Ian have to say about this wonderful car show. Check it out. Now, watch me now, watch me now. It's the 6th annual staging of this event.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how you guys managed to make it so successful year after year.
Man, I tell you, we always have something new. The first year we launched the Bentley GT. Yeah. The second year we launched the Nissan Skyline GTR. Yeah. The third year we launched a Porsche Cayenne. And this year we decided that we were going to bring out more local, more local street cars in regards to Skunk Nation. And we brought out Skunk Nation, Crazy Bikers, to make it that much more exciting. We believe that the economy is going to contract. We believe it's going to get slow. Interest rates are going to rise. So we are putting, this show has been deemed a you buy now kind of show, where come out and purchase a car now while rates are single digits.
For an event like this, how hard is it to get sponsors?
It's not that hard, thank God, no, because it's annual and it's been doing so well. But this time around, we've opened it out in a big way, because now we have just banks alone. We have Scotia Bank, JMMB, Sagicor Bank, RBC Bank, NCB Bank, FHC Credit Union Bank. We have Maxis Tires. We have all kind of accessories. We have oh God, it's just been crazy. It's been really, really been good. The dealers are always ready to show off and showcase their cars.
In front, this is a Mirage, right?
Yeah.
So I know a little bit more car, you know, Tell me, is CarMax right?
Yes.
Tell me about this car right here.
All right, CarMax is also my company. And this year, in 2013, as it's Happy New Year, I'm having a very happy New Year because we're about to launch CarMax now in rally car racing. Okay. So we're going out on the road. We have the greatest driver in Jamaica in the person of Bobby Marshall. And so we're about to take the circuit race in Dover by storm in 2013.
All right, good luck, Mr. Lynn.
Thank you so
It's all about Pree Dis. And if you miss it, trust me, come back next year because you're missing wonderful thing, family fun car and bank. All right. Yeah. All right, rise about on the rocks, don't it? Which Bible story that? Swear, I'm not the first from my Bible. But right now, it's all about time for the Rumbar Responsible Drinking Tip of the week. Now remember, when you party responsibly. And not only party, whatever you do it responsibly. Check it out. Brought to you by Rumbar, the Rumbar Responsible Drinking Tip of the week. Reach Falls, what else to experience?
The Responsible Drinking Tip is brought to you by Rumbar Rum. Drinking less reduces the long-term risk of serious diseases such as cancer, liver disease and stroke, improves the condition of your skin, can have a positive effect on sleep patterns, and can even boost your sex life. The Responsible Drinking Tip was brought to you by Rumbar Rum.
Don't move a muscle. We'll be right back. First commercial break brought to you by Rumbar Rum Cream. So keep it locked.